Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, inshallah, I will explain about the tutorial for the last week. Okay, so the exercise 5, exercise 5, question number 1. So the question asks you to find the velocity for a certain time. Okay, so given thing is the time and also the velocity. So the question asks you to find the acceleration actually. Okay, you need to find the acceleration. Okay, so they give you velocity. Okay, so yeah, as we know that to find the velocity, the acceleration, we need to differentiate the velocity. Okay, so like this. So this is, for example, the position. Position. To find the position, position is x. To find the velocity is equal to dx dt. Okay, and to find the acceleration is equal to d to x or apa ni? Okay, so is equal to dv over dt. Okay, so yeah, since they give you velocity, so we just need to differentiate only one time. Okay, so they give us the time and also the velocity. Okay, time and velocity. So they want to find the acceleration here, acceleration at this point. Okay, so yeah, since this is a numerical method, they give you point by point. So they give you a discrete value in every time. Okay, what is the velocity at each time? Okay, so we need to differentiate. So differentiate, sometimes we use the formula and sometimes we use the numerical methods. So in numerical methods, the method is there are 5 methods. One of them is 2 points forward difference. Okay, so this is the equation where, since they use a 2 point forward, so forward means that the point and also the forward point. Okay, forward point. So we just write first the equation. So fx plus h minus fx. Okay, minus fx divided by h. So first of all, we need to find what is x, the h. Okay, so h actually the different h is equal to 9 divided by 8.5. Okay, so it become 0.5. Okay. Okay, then we rewrite again the formula. So we want to find the first derivative. Okay, f prime. So 8.5. Okay, 8.5, and then we put the 8.5 in the equation. 8.5 plus 0.5, so become 9. Okay, and then this is fx 8.5 divided by h, which is the 0.5. So we replace the fx 9 over here. So this is fx 9, and then f 8.5, which is 70. So 75 minus 70 divided by 0.5 become 10. Okay, so the unit, I just put the unit meter per second. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, and then we use the backward. Okay, so not suppose the forward and backward result will be the same. Not necessary. Not necessary. It's based on the value of the point, the given point. Okay, for example, here we write first the first of all we need to find the h. Okay, so same equation. So 8.5 minus 8, so it becomes 0.5. Okay, so 0.5, and then we rewrite again the equation. So means over here backward, so behind, okay, just before the point. So for now is the 8.5, so before is 8. Okay, so fx minus x minus h, okay, divided by h. So x is 8.5, and then this one become 8.5 minus 0.5 become 8. So we take this point, so 8.5 and then 8. Okay, so now become 70 minus 60 divided by 0.5. Okay, so we can see that the result is different. So the result is different. It's not because the result is wrong, but it's based on the point. Okay, so because we miss this the point. Okay, so the point is different before and after. Okay, so and then the central 3-point central difference. Okay, so means that we need to use not 3 point, but the given or the point that we want to find is at the middle. Okay, so 8.5 will not involve fx. F 8.5 will not be involved in this calculation. Okay, so we write again the h. Okay, so it's very important to find the h, because if the point, the h is different between the forward and backward in 3 central point, mean that we cannot use that point. Okay, so over here we see that 8.5, so the equation want to x plus h and x minus h. Okay, so we look over here. Okay, this is 8.5, and then the h after is 9. So over here h is 0.5, and before also 0.5. If different, so then we cannot use. Okay, we cannot use this method. Okay, so since same, so then we can use the same number of h, so which is the 0.5. Then we write again, we write the formula, which is fx plus h, and then minus fx minus h divided by 2h. Okay, because the point is skip 1 point, so then the total length is 2h. Okay, so we write again here, this is 0, 8, 9, this is 9, and this is 8. Okay, so here, so this point, this and this one. Okay, so 75 minus 60 divided by 1. Okay, so the result will be 15. Okay, so as you can see here, the other method. Okay, so we look first the 3-point forward difference. Okay, so what they want is at this point 8.5 f 8.5 is involved. Involved based on the equation. So this is fx. So we rewrite again. We rewrite first the equation. We write the equation. Negative 3 multiple with fx plus f fx plus h minus fx plus 2h. Okay, this one is 2h. Okay, because they use a forward. Okay, so you can see here, this is plus h, and then this is plus 2h divided by 2h. Okay, so is it okay to use this in the to solve the problem? Is it the h is the same for for can be used? Is it the same for the others? And then we look first. So fx, try to, okay, so fx is 8.5, and x minus 1, x plus h is the beside one, the forward one, the first forward is 0.5, the difference. Okay, and then they say here is 2h. If h is 0.5, is there any data for that? So we try first. So for example, this one 8.5. Okay, we have it, and then 8.5 plus 0.5 become 9. Okay, we have it, and then x 8.5 plus 2 multiplied with 0.5, the h. So it become 9.5. Okay, is there any data 9.5 in the table? Okay, so you can see from the data is available. Okay, the data is available. Okay, so sometimes you want to use forward, but the data only up to 9. Okay, so that means that we cannot use this method. Okay, so since the data is available, so then we can use this 3 point. Okay, so then we use everything, we just put everything, the fx, okay, and then we get a 40 meter per second. Okay, so all of the result give the different number. Okay, give different results. Okay, it is because of the methods, not sure which one is suitable, more suitable. So we need to compare with the something we need to compare with something valid parameter, so that we can choose which method is the accurate, the most accurate. So you can see here, I use only 4. Why I'm not use the 5 method at the 5 point? Okay, why I'm not using 5 is because the data is not available. Okay, and also sometimes the backward, for example, the backward, the h is different. Okay, so you can use we try to do some testing. Okay, we do test. Okay, we write the 3 point backward. Okay, 3 point backward formula is fx2h minus 4x minus h plus 3fx divided by 2h. Okay, so this is f prime x. Okay, so if h, if h is 0.5, so here is 8.5, and then here is 8, and this one is 7.5. Okay, so the data 7.5 is not available. Okay, so therefore we cannot use the 3 point backward. Okay, backward difference. Same goes to the other method, 5 point central difference. Okay, so we need to look at the available of data. That is the most important part. Okay.